1 Jesus answered and said unto them, Verily I say unto you, if ye have faith, and doubt not, ye shall not only do this which is done to the fig tree, but also if ye shall say unto this mountain, Be thou removed, and be thou cast into the sea, it shall be done. 2 And all things, whatsoever ye shall ask in prayer, believing, ye shall receive. 3 And when he was come into the temple, the chief priests and the elders of the people came unto him as he was teaching, and said, By what authority doest thou these things? And who gave thee this authority? 4 And Jesus answered and said unto them, I also will ask you one thing, which if ye tell me, I in like wise will tell you by what authority I do these things. 5 The baptism of John, whence was it? From heaven or of men? And they reasoned with themselves, saying, If we shall say, From heaven, he will say unto us, Why did ye not then believe him? 6 But if we shall say, Of men, we fear the people, for all hold John as a prophet. 7 And they answered Jesus, and said, We cannot tell. And he said unto them, Neither tell I you by what authority I do these things. 8 But what think ye? A certain man had 2 sons, and he came to the first, and said, Son, go work today in my vineyard. 9 He answered and said, I will not, but afterward he repented, and went. 10 And he came to the second, and said likewise. And he answered and said, I go, sir, and went not. 11 Whether of them twain did the will of his father? They say unto him, The first. Jesus saith unto them, Verily I say unto you, that the publicans and the harlots go into the kingdom of God before you. 12 For John came unto you in the way of righteousness, and ye believed him not, but the publicans and the harlots believed him, and ye, when ye had seen it, repented not afterward, that ye might believe him. 13 Hear another parable. There was a certain householder, which planted a vineyard, and hedged it round about, and digged a winepress in it, and built a tower, and let it out to husbandmen, and went into a far country. 14 And when the time of the fruit drew near, he sent his servants to the husbandmen, that they might receive the fruits of it. 15 And the husbandmen took his servants, and beat one, and killed another, and stoned another. 16 Again, he sent other servants more than the first, and they did unto them likewise. 17 But last of all he sent unto them his son, saying, They will reverence my son. 18 But when the husbandmen saw the son, they said among themselves, This is the heir, come, let us kill him, and let us seize on his inheritance. 19 And they caught him, and cast him out of the vineyard, and slew him. 20 When the Lord therefore of the vineyard cometh, what will he do unto those husbandmen? 21 They say unto him, He will miserably destroy those wicked men, and will let out his vineyard unto other husbandmen, which shall render him the fruits in their seasons.